how I have made over $10,300 on ClickBank with Google pay-per-click ads in the last week. As you can see over here in the current week, and if I go over here, you can see last week $12,000, $7,400, and this is with the new ClickBank account. Basically, I'm always testing new niches. This was done in personal development, manifestation, self-help niche. Okay, so this is doing really well because it's digital offer, as you can see over here, right? Daily earnings. Now over here, as you can see, right, I have $1,300 a day. So basically, I'm promoting offer that is paying great upsell take rate, meaning average order value make me profitable, right? One person is going to buy your entire funnel. What do I mean by that? Look, if you're promoting faceless offer without making any videos, right? Spending 30 minutes per day doing this, running Facebook ads, or in this case, Google pay-per-click ads, you should targeting only buyers, not curiosity clickers, only buyers who are already looking for the offer you're promoting. Now, this is not keyword targeting. I mean, this is not brand bidding. No, this is not brand bidding. This is sharing your affiliate link on quiz funnel built on ClickFunnels, promoting self-help, personal growth, personal development offers. Okay? So you have to understand who is your audience on a deeper psychological level. Now, you don't have to learn this. You can plug in and install this system to do the work for you. Okay? No matter where you live, USA, Canada, India, Australia, Europe, doesn't matter. Okay? You can do this as long as you have 20 to 30 minutes per day. Okay? And you're willing to get results before Christmas. So it's doable. It's possible. It's still possible to make money online in 2025, going to 2026, as long as you're serious to make it happen.